Some more beauty to your home or patio, then today's review is just for you. We're talking about hanging baskets. Hey, this is See You Ready Gardener. I've been on the search for some affordable hanging baskets, and I found what is a great deal and adds some beauty to any space. Right off the bat, I was impressed with the colors and the black chain that can fit any hook. Really, if the hook is thick, I can't fit it in my hooks that I have on my ceiling. I've had this issue before. There's no signs of damage, nor does it look like someone's return. These planters are nice and sturdy, and I really like the design. Plus, you can choose from various designs. Now, they're made of plastic, but they look high quality, and they're lightweight. The basket itself feels sturdy. Now, they are self-planters, which whisk away the water and helps prevent root rot. This is great for those that tend to overwater. This keeps the roots healthy so your plants can flourish. If you have hooks installed already, it's a breed which should fit any hook you have. The basket size is perfect for small to medium plants. It also has a good depth too, so the plants won't get too cramped. Now, you could place this outside, but you would need to spray paint the chain every 2 or 3 years due to rust. I'm using mine indoors, and like I said, it has a great drainage. They are a self-watering planter. Just remember to get the right potting soil mix that you need for your plants. Don't forget about the prevention that I talked about in another video that's linked in the description. Using peroxide, cayenne pepper, Ceylon cinnamon, and so forth to help keep gnats away. And the pros, beautiful design that complements any garden or patio. It's easy to install and set up if you have hooks already. It's a great size for a variety of plants. You can use it indoors or outdoors, but probably best for indoor use. It's low maintenance. It's a great price. Now, the cons, you may have to get the chains a little unjumbled from time to time. And if you use it outdoors, you'll have to spray paint the chain every 2 or 3 years.
Where I have created a course that will help you start, maintain, and even revive a dead garden. We're offering a crazy deal right now, and it won't last long. Go ahead and click the link in the description and start your garden success today.
Overall, I'm really happy with these planters. It adds a pop of color, and they are holding up very nicely indoors after a few months. If you're looking for something that's easy to use, durable, and adds style to your space, I highly recommend giving it a try. I'll leave the link down below in the description, so check it out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button for more gardening tips and product reviews. Also, let me know in the comments if you tried any hanging baskets before, or if you have any questions about this one.